Well, my friends, after removing all the old hardware, make sure your power is everything off and remove all the existing things. You should be left with something like this. Now your fixture is going to have these two little metal things on the front. Just simply remove those, just unscrew them, and that's going to give you access to this. So you attach this to your frame there, or your outlet box. It's very simple to do. You can use the screws they give you, or if you have other ones that already came with it, might want to use those. So one thing you want to do is we're going to actually get a level, and we want to make sure that when we put this in, it is level. So I'm going to just take my screws that I had previously and screw those in. These ones have a little bit wider head on them, so I'm just going to use these instead of the other ones. Okay, I'm going to get these cinched on there a little bit. But before I tighten them all the way, I want to get my level out. And then I can ensure that this is going to be not cattywampus. So we get our screws in here real quick. So you just need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a level should be good. Okay. That is done. We're going to put our level on those two screws there. And these are going to be where those screws for the front of that is going to mount. So this is what you want to level off of. These two right here. Where are we at here? This side needs to come up a hair. That's a lot more than a hair. Okay, right about that's pretty close to perfect. Uh-oh, what'd we do? I moved it a little bit. Okay, that's really good actually. Okay. All right. Well, let's see here. This is a little loose, it seems like, but I think that's good enough. Next, we'll just install our lines here. Neutral, white. Okay, so I like to attach the ground first. And with this, we're going to have our lights hanging downward. So here we go. I'm going to try to protect my mirror because my mirror is right here. So a lot of fixtures, get your ground wire, which is just going to be your bare metal wire, and wrap this other copper wire around it. Get out your thing and just screw that on the top there. Unless, of course, this one is not going to do it for me. Trying to hold this so it doesn't bounce onto my mirror while I'm doing this. It's always fun if you don't have... Oh, really? You're still going to hit that? I was gently put it on there. I might need to get that. All right, come on, don't fail me this time, little buddy. There we go. That's gonna screw on there that time. All right. Our mirror didn't break either, so that's good. Sometimes you can just put a, if you don't have someone to help you hold it, perhaps a you throw a towel over that while you hold it. All right, well, so we get our black wires, and same thing, twist those around there. And black wires are gonna go on there together. All right. And then we have our white wires go together. Twist those on there. And then put our, oops. Get it on there before I twist it on. Okay. And there we have it. Now, kind of push your wires back into the hole there. This is going to give you some room here. Get in there. Okay. And this has some room behind it too, so throw those in there. Go on, get in there. Okay. And then we just fit this over that like that. We pick up our two little screw heads that we have. Oh, we got a wire poking out on the top. Almost didn't see that. So we'll feed that back in there. Be like, what are you doing out there? Get in there. So my excess ground wire was trying to be cute there. Okay. Try this again. Screw that on there. And then same with this one. Okay. This, I think, can be adjusted slightly. I'm going to get my level on top. See where we're at with that. Try to get it about perfect. And we're going to try to lock that in. These have a little bit of wiggle room in them, so now we'll wrap, should be able to tighten it down so it's not going to move. Okay, actually pretty solid. That's basically all we got to do now. We just attach our lights. Okay, just unscrew those. Let's get our light bulbs. Well, my friends, here we go. Just put our glass things on there. Let's just go over there like that, and then we screw these on. Well, fiddlesticks. I didn't want that sticker showing, so I'm just going to take this sticker off. It says Type E, 120 volt, max 40 watts. I didn't want that sticker showing there, so I'm just going to peel it off and hopefully it doesn't give me any trouble. And it doesn't really. Okay, some stickers you take off and there is just a big old mess there. Thankfully, this is a little different. Okay, let's try this one again. It's not the easiest thing to put on there. Try not to get like handprints in here. Okay, there's one. Take off my other sticker. Oh, apparently only one had a sticker. What's going on here? Okay, ran into a little bit of a sticking point there. And that one doesn't have a sticker either. Okay, here we go. That up on the wall there a little bit. Now you can use whatever kind of bulbs you like. I like these LED, like kind of old-timey looking ones. These are really cool. And now we can switch off my ring light here. Ooh, love it. I'll give you guys a outside zoom out a little bit here. Well, here we go. Not the biggest bathroom, but I think it puts out a decent amount of light here. Looks pretty nice, I think. There we go. Turn the light off, you guys can see that. Well, yeah, looks pretty elegant, I think. Puts out plenty of light as well. I really like it. It matches our faucet. There's an old one on there, so it looks pretty good. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.